I am not a 3D painter, but many people ask me if I paint on my cutting boards. I do not. So today I'm going to show you behind the scenes of working with a very special batch of what's called highly figured walnut. Did you know that trees don't grow straight? What? What we are seeing here is an irregular and desirable grain pattern caused by an unusual cell growth or arrangement. It often results in wavy, swirling, or curly pattern. And to make this pattern, the tree underwent a variety of elements of stress or injury. Similar to how tattoos tell an outward story of our lives, figure is the inside story of the tree. Unlike rings that tell the common story of growth, figure tells the uncommon story, the story of injury or environmental stress like soil conditions, times of flooding or drought, a fungus or virus, wind or stress from leaning sideways while growing on a steep slope. These are just a few examples. The history of stress creates this beautiful, very dense wood called figure, which produces a 3D type of appearance. So take a few minutes here. Sit back, relax, and watch my process. Now, let's talk specifically about my favorite type of species of wood, walnut. Walnut is my favorite type of wood to work with, both in the wood shop and also in my kitchen. It's sophisticated, natural color, also has self-healing properties, which means it's possible for dents and cuts to slightly heal over time. It also has great antibacterial properties. Because of the tight grain structure, it's easier to clean and keep clean. So for a second, let's think of wood like our own skin pores. Open pores get dirty more easily and are harder to keep clean. Tight pores, on the other hand, are generally easier to clean and therefore keep clean. So hardwoods like walnut that grow really slowly, maple and cherry are great examples for the purposes of food, while oak and ash are also hardwoods, but they actually have an open grain and visible pore structure, which can trap moisture and food particles. And that's why white oak is better used as flooring in our homes than as a cutting board on our kitchen countertop. And if you did make it this far, let's drop this secret emoji in the comments below. Thanks for your support. So next time you go online to buy a board, pay attention to the type of wood that's used. I'd give a hard pass to any decorative style board made of oak, unless you don't want to put food on it or use a knife on it. That's totally your call. I personally would rather buy one quality product that will last me and my family a long time look good, not grow bacteria, and be kind to my knives. The fact that it looks pretty is just a bonus. This video on Highly Figured is going to be a two-part mini-series. I actually filmed this footage back in January, and our household got hit pretty hard by the flu after this. So I had to put the rest of this on pause, but part 2 will be coming soon. Thank you for watching. I really love sharing my craft with you, and I look forward to the next video where you get to see this highly figured wood grain really pop.